Welcome to Tiny Minds Toy Time. The playroom is full of toys everywhere. Lucas looks really worried by all the mess. Oliver jumps in, smiling, and begins to help tidy up. Working together can make a big job easier and even fun. How can you help a friend clean up? Could you pick up one toy at a time, sing a song while tidying, or ask someone to help? Notice how it feels when a friend works with you. Thanks for joining Tiny Minds Toy Time. Keep exploring, learning, and having fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.